breakfast recipe today. We're making breakfast cups. And for those of you who are eating keto, this one fits right in. I've got 8 eggs here, 1/3 cup, half and half. And here I've got some pluck seasoning. Now you could just as easily use salt and pepper. Just sprinkle a little bit in there. Now I'm just going to whisk it together. And we got our eggs all whisked up. Muffin pan. If you had some ham lunch meat, that would be awesome. What I've got here is German bologna. Just going to put a piece in each of these muffin cups. Now we're going to come in with a little bit of that egg in each one of these guys. We got 2 more to go. We'll be ready for the next step. Then we're just going to put a little Canadian bacon that I've chopped up in each one of these cups. You could use bacon if you wanted. I had the Canadian bacon here. Now I've got freshly shredded jalapeno cheddar. And got our last one here. Get our cheese in there. Now let's get these out to the smoker. Hey, I picked up one of these Weber Searwoods. It's like my 3rd or 4th cook with it. I'm still getting pretty excited as I learn to use it. We're just going to get the lid up on this Weber Searwood that I picked up. Put them on here. Let's get our lid down. Hey, we're cooking at 400 degrees today, and I'm using apple pellets. Hey, it's been 25 minutes. I'm thinking these should be ready. Oh, look at these guys. You can see the edge here. It's all firmed up. Let's get them off here. This is going to be hot, of course. These guys have been sitting here about 10 minutes. You can see they just lift right out. I hope you can see it. My hand might be in the way. Hey, they're still plenty warm. Let's give one a bite. I just want to show you, they're held together real well, and they have got an awesome taste. You saw, easy recipe, easy to make.